You do your wicked bounce.
Bars and tone. Oh my God! All right, y'all, we are out here, Typhon Bars, Typhon Kenny, and Typhon Mike. Mike done. Beautiful. Come unplugged, didn't it? Yeah, it come unplugged. It likes to come unplugged. Bars and tone. Bars and tone. Oh! 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 Oh my God! Holy crap! It's fine. Wow! Nice. Let's get back over to my Typhon. All right, y'all. Let's go for a mega send. Let's go for a mega Typhon send. Here we go. Here we go. Well, you recording now, kid? Because here it comes again. I couldn't. Oh, we're gonna give us another go or two, but my battery tray's blowed out of it, so let's see how long it holds up. I'm missing my battery tray's hanging out. Bars. Oh my God. Wow. You all right, kid?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. She's safe. We're good. Let's see if we can't launch this thing. Incoming, kid. Oh, there went something. Mine just come apart, something on it. I don't know what came apart, but something did. What happened to you? Oh, battery tray come all the way out. I told y'all it was gonna happen. There it is. All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get out the last one we got. Holy hell. Holy hell. Wow. There goes Mike's Typhon. And there goes Mike's Typhon. Bushes. And she's hanging in the tree. Hey, you ain't got no tape back.
He's down there apologizing to his reader.
I thought you was gonna catch it for a second. That was awesome, dude. That was awesome. That was awesome, bro. Hey, I was just like pissed on him. Mike, you praying to your typhon again? That was pretty cool, man. We all three just boogered up all our typhons. Bars sheared off some hinge pins. Mine has got a center drive shaft locking up against the M2C center brace. It's so bent. And I don't even know what the world happened to Mike over here. What happened, buddy?
How did that thing even come out of
hinge
it?
pin popped out. Yeah. I'm having so much fun out here today, and we got all kinds of people up here now, y'all. Jonah and all his friends come too. Mike's buddies, and Bars. This good times, y'all. Good times. So my last vehicle I got left that's not broken is my Creighton XL, the first one, M2C everything. Scorched titanium chassis, M2C everywhere else. Method RC wheels. Go here and see if she hold together. We're playing around, not even recording, y'all. Sorry. Yes. Oh, there it is. I lost the dog bone. Well, y'all, we're gonna go be spectators. We went to go pop a dog bone back in and it ripped it through the hinge pin. So the arm is done. RPM arms, don't buy them, flex too much. Well, y'all, I'm a dummy and RPM arms just gave out and decided I wasn't allowed to drive no more. So I'm gonna watch Bars and Mike and all them do their thing, and we're just gonna be here and be a rooting on spectator. There goes Mike, big rock. Boom.
What do you think? You think I could actually hit this from here?
Yeah, it's actually a pretty good vantage point up here. I think you get a good enough run, you can clear over that second one.
Got a good eye for that.
Yeah, I'm trying to follow the line.
Duck, Mike. No.
Let's see if I can actually hit this from back here.
Here goes Bars.
Yep, Mike.
Oof. Oof.
All right, well. Yeah,
You're gonna hit the dirt part of it, the launcher.
let's try the dirt.
Nice.
Doing pretty nice off of there. That dirt side even launches nice. Now if I can just find it in the leaves.
Oof. Nice one. Yeah, this place is fun, guys. There's a whole lot of fun out here. There went Mike out there. Here goes Bars again.
Oh, I was afraid I was gonna. I thought I was gonna.
So Mike's out there, just went in the trees. See what Bars launched off here. Got him a better vantage point. There she is. Nice, sloped it down, sloped it. Nice down slope. Slash. Nice. It looks like a UDR up there, maybe. Oh, there goes Mike.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Heck yeah. Here comes a fire team. Oh, it was coming in a fire team. There comes Mike backwards. This is all out awesomeness, guys. Looks like a UDR, I think. I think that's a UDR up there. Little dude coming off. Oh, Dang it. I got you, buddy. Goes bars flying in hot. I actually don't know what that is. Is that a Traxxas? Hey, what is that truck? What truck is that? Never mind, it is a UDR. Love it. UDR eating, loving it. Yes. There goes bars. Ooh. There goes bars. Beautiful. Fire team ripping. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. Let's get a close-up of his sledge going off here. Oh my goodness. The volcano ripping. Little dude rocking the fire team. That's awesome. Nice, cleared it. Cleared it. Yo, I just want to tell you, man, I want to thank Bars for coming out here and hanging out with us, man. It's been epic fun. There they all go again, y'all launching. The UDR getting busy. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Epic fun out here with good people. Can't complain. Nothing better than on Saturday. Out here with beautiful people and the kids having a good time. Bars. Somebody just clocked the wood. Somebody just clocked the wood. Yeah, let's go over here. Let's go over here and see if we can't get us a shot of Bars coming over top of me and not killing me.
Well, we got Kenny filling in for Trevor over here tomorrow.
Yeah, taking Trevor's spot today. No!
It doesn't look like it broke it.
Dang!
That didn't sound good.
It doesn't look like it broke it though.
Oh!
How I break them battery straps.
Let's see if we can hit the sled straight this time.
You landed it though.
Whatever that was. I don't know what just happened.
There we go.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Right on the top.
Right on top of it. Mike.
just got it.
Nice.
Got that.
Got her around there. Here comes Bars.
See if we can clear this thing again. Wheel first.
Yeah, that one might be a little.
Sledge loves it. It don't care. Sledge don't mind.
I mean,
There she goes. Wow. Nice. Yeah, it did. Way up there. Oh, and the tree's still on its wheels. All right, y'all. Bars is hitting a suicide jump. He's hitting backwards from the tree line, going to hit the jump backwards. And we got everybody cleared out up here. We don't know where it's going to go. We're going to find out. Low voltage cut, y'all. We got you all suspensed up and ready for all that and climax. And we was just like a lady and tore away from you. How do y'all like that shit?
You guys know the drill. Until next time, y'all.
Peace out, everybody.
Peace out, everybody.
Oh my God, about fell off. Guys, I'm gonna cut mine off here real quick too. Everything's broken mine. Sledge made it out home.
Oh, it's dead
Bars,
now.
thank you for coming out, man. I appreciate it.
It's been a great time, man. Thanks for the invite out here, guys.
Absolutely, Mike. Thank you again for showing me this place. It's literally a playground for RCs out here. It's amazing. Good time, jumps everywhere. Couldn't ask for a better day. Till next time, y'all. Peace out.
A few moments
Oh,
later.
oh.
Yikes.
Yep. Take two. Nice one. Oh, cased it.
That's
Be
anyways.
fine.
He's
Be
still
fine.
building up his confidence.
Oops, oops, oops. BMXers. There he is. There it is. Oh, so close. There you go. Nice save.
Oh,
All right, he said.
it's like,
Oh, right on top. UDR, wicked bounce. We're all heading out. Bars and tones out. Everybody's out of here.
I think he